Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick video here for a change. I know there's been a huge break. Haven't put out a video in a while. Business, just work got busy. I run a little design company, Cat 9 Design, as it so happens. Yeah, stuff just got busy, and that's kind of got to take priority. So didn't get to do too many videos. Try and keep up with it more regularly. I'd like to do like weekly, but I know that's unrealistic. Maybe bi-weekly. I don't know. Anyway, just a quick tip here. Thought I'd show you guys how I terminate threads. Let's see here. Okay, so we got a thread here. Let's where is that? Roll the history marker back. Okay, so I've done a thread. It goes all the way down. Okay, so what do? What I got here, a little rectangle in a sketch that I then extrude to make a cut that's flush with this surface. After that, I delete those faces. Then I do this here. I've got a line and then this profile. These lines aren't really necessary. I can't remember why I did them, just to neaten things up probably, because it can just be a line floating in space. It doesn't matter. But it's good to have a dimension thrown on here, just so you can control the distance between here and this little triangle thing. Okay, so also I got one here. And again, extrude. It left this weird little thing, but that stuff usually deletes. Okay, so now I got my ends trimmed, right? And I got that weird sketch. Okay, so what is this, you ask? So that's that sketch. That face is being revolved around this axis at 34 degrees. So I can change this axis to kind of move that out or in, but keep in mind it's not following the thread. It's going, horizontal rather than matching the thread pitch. So if you take it too far out, it will start interfering with the thread. But anyway, the way it tapers off, though, you got to take it pretty far out before it does that. Anyway, that's how I terminate a standard thread. It works for the ID too. Show you here in a minute. There's that one. And some other stuff. And then see, I got this weird thread here, this coil I modeled up for an odd non-standard thread. Okay, let's show that again actually real quick. So I want this to continue down into this face. I just deleted that face. So there's a nice easy thread termination if you find yourself in that situation. But that's not really the point here. Okay, so here we got this guy and this line. Now the line here, let's edit this sketch. For an internal thread, the line needs to be beyond the center point. So we got this shape here, it's got to be beyond the center point. So that's making a larger radius. So it goes out into here. For an external thread, it's got to be on this side of the center point. So now, well, what am I doing? So now, you can see this guy here. this is thin, you might have a few faces to delete there. Like, you might have something like that poking out. If that's thin, that's fine. Just delete those faces. Let's hit escape on that one though. Yeah, okay, so that's how I terminate thread. Thought you guys might like that. Just kind of a handy trick. And the last retopology video, a lot of it's been recorded. I just haven't been happy with it. And I've only been working on that for the last couple weeks, but I haven't been happy with it, so I'm going to redo it. Almost completely, I think, if not completely. Yeah, again, sorry for the huge break, but yeah, I got to make a living. I just do this for fun. Anyway, leave comments if you like it or whatever and all that stuff. And yeah, if there's anything you want to see, let me know. And hopefully I'll follow this up with the last part of the retopology video fairly soon.